Hey fans, well thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog. If you truly are curious on what I'm doing today, I want to talk to all of you about a couple computer cases, one for looks and one for functionality. But why not both? You can do it both ways. You can make it for looks and you can also make it for functionality. Me, personally, I want a computer for functionality, not just for looks. Let's go and show you what I mean. For example, here is two completely different cases in two different types of computers. Unfortunately, this case has nothing inside of it. It's just an empty shell. And the ARM Pentium system actually does have stuff inside of it. It is a working computer, should I say. But let's talk about this case here. This case here was actually built for functionality. Means this had three octal drive bays, 5.25 bays, and it has 8 things you can put hard drives for 3.5 if you wanted to put that many hard drives in this computer case here. This truly was made for function, not really made for looks. This case does not have a window side panel at all. Means you can't really put RGB lighting in this case. That's if you truly wanted to mod the actual side panel itself. But enough with this case. Let's talk about this case over here. This is my main machine. You kind of notice something a lot different with this case. This case is basically made for looks and made for functionality as well. If you notice, it only has one octal drive bay. Means instead of 3, it's only 1. It's a 5.25, and this one is a 3.5 bay as well. But notice this case can only support up to 3 hard drives. One here, one down below, and one up here. Because this case was actually made for longer graphics cards. If you wanted to put longer graphics cards inside of it. Now, here's the case of what this one looks like. It has 1, 2, 3 octal drive bays. Then it has 1, 2, 3.5 hard drive bays. And does basically have everything like a newer case. LEDs for power and hard drive activity. A on switch, a reset switch. Same with this one. This one also has the exact same functionality like any ARM case as well. But it looks very nice. This computer is both. Could be used for functionality and can also be used for looks as well. It all depends on what you truly want to do with your computer cases themselves. It all depends on what you are looking for. Now here's the other thing. This case here supports 120 mil fans. Means these are 120 mil fans inside this case. Now unfortunately with this older case, it only supports 80 mil fans. 3 of them. 2 over here and 1 on the side panel. But it all depends on what you're truly using your PC for. See, this one was built for functionality. That one over there was built for fashion. Now, I understand you do have different cases with RGB lighting and all sorts of stuff, but truly do you need that kind of stuff? Think about it. I understand a lot of young girls out there, should I say, will like that kind of stuff because they enjoy having the case to light up and make it look pretty. But truly do you need it? Think about it. Do you need a computer for looks or functionality? why not both? Make it for looks and also make it for functionality. But alright, if you guys enjoy subscribing to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and have a very nice day. Catch you next one. Thanks for watching.